Isomerism, you know about isomerism. Isomerism means two chemical formula is same but arrangement of ligand in complex different. Such type of complexes are called as isomerism. In isomerism there is main two types. One is structural isomerism and another is stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism contains 7 types: ionization, hydrate, ligand, linkage, coordination position, and last one polymerization. And in stereoisomerism there is main two types. One is cis trans or geometrical isomerism and another one is optical isomerism or also called as mirror image isomerism. In coordination, geometrical or cis trans isomerism contains main two types. One is coordination number 4, that is square planar complexes. Such type of isomerism do not occur in tetrahedral complex because 90 and 180 angle is absent. And second type is coordination number 6, octahedral complexes. We have already studied about coordination number 4 in square planar complexes, that is cis trans isomerism in coordination square planar complexes. In square planar complexes there is 5 types: MA2B2, MA2BC, that is different type of ligand where M is metal, and ABC, such type of letters are used for ligand. They may be neutral or negative ligands. And third one MABCD. Fourth MA-B, this is unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. We all know about unsymmetrical bidentate ligand means bidentate ligand which is capable to donate two lone pair of electron to central metal atom or ion. Donor groups are different. Such type of ligands are called as unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. Symmetrical bidentate ligand means donor groups are same. And last one is M2E2X4, where M is metal, A is ligand, and X is again ligand. Then next type, isomerism in coordination number 6. 6 coordination number, that is geometrical isomerism or cis trans isomerism in coordination number 6. There is main 3 types. Geometrical isomerism contains monodentate ligand, that is octahedral complexes contains monodentate ligand, and second one is monodentate and symmetrical bidentate ligand, and third is unsymmetrical ligand. Now first type, monodentate ligand, cis trans isomerism contains monodentate ligand. We all know about monodentate ligand means the ion or molecule which is capable to donate only one lone pair of electron to central metal atom or ion. Such type of ligands are called as monodentate ligand. Where in monodentate ligand, that is octahedral complex containing monodentate ligand, there is 3 types: MA4B2, second MA3B3, and third one is MABCDEF. First type, MA4B2. In this complex in which octahedral complex in which where M is metal, A is ligand, and B is again ligand. A, B are different with each other. 4 same ligand react with metal atom or ion, and again 2 same ligand react with metal atom or ion. Such type of complex in which when 2 same group or ligands present in 90 angle, they are called as cis position, while 2 same ligands or 2 same group present in 180 angle, they are called as transposition. Now this, for example, generally M is metal, A is neutral ligand, and B is negative ligand. For example, M is CO, cobalt, A4 is ammonia, and B2 is Cl2, that is CONH3 4 Cl2 plus ion cationic complex, such type of complex in which oxidation state number of cobalt is +3. Now ClCl, this is Cl, ClCl contains 90 angle, and ammonia, this ammonia contains 90 angle, and also such type of ammonia contains 90 angle. They are called as cis, and IUPAC nomenclature of complex is cis dichloro tetraamine cobalt third ion, and this complex is isomer. Now ClCl opposite with each other, ammonia opposite, 4 ammonia opposite with each other in this complex in which, now this is Cl contains 180 angle, and ammonia contains these 2 ammonia 180 angle, and also ammonia contains 180 angle. These complexes are called as trans dichloro tetraamine cobalt third ion. Now another example, another type, an example Ma3B3. Now such type of complex in which cis, what is meant by cis? Now with the help of numbering, this is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 1 2 3 position, 3 same ligand coordinate with metal atom or ion, and 4 5 6 position, these ligand coordinate with metal atom or ion. Such type of complexes are called as cis position. This is special type, they are also called as cis position. And while in another transposition in which at the 1 2 3 position is different ligand, they are called as transposition. These structure are called as, this is a special type of isomerism, they are called as meridional structure. Such type of structures are called as meridional, and they are called as fascial. 1 2 3 position is same, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 at this position is same ligand coordinate with metal atom or ion, they are called as cis position, or also called as fascial structure. This is fascial structure. While 1 2 3 and 4 5 6 different ligand coordinate with each other in Ma3B3 type, they are called as transposition, also called as meridional structure. First structure is, this is fascial, and they are called as meridional. And hence IUPAC nomenclature for first complex cis trichloro triamine cobalt third, or fascial, in short they are called as FAC, FAC trichloro triamine cobalt third, and meridional, in short they are called as MER trichloro triamine cobalt third. This is neutral complex. Then third type is MABCDEF type. Now structure for MABCD, MABCDEF type, that is 6 different ligand coordinate with metal atom or ion, they are called as ABCDEF type. This is A, B, C, D, E and F. In this complex in which same ligands are absent, hence cis transposition is absent, but different type of structures are occur when A opposite with D, A opposite with C, A opposite with B, A opposite with F. There are total 15 structure, 15 isomers with each other. How how they are possible. Now for example, platinum PyNH3Cl Br iodine cyanide. Such type of complex IUPAC nomenclature is bromochloro cyanoido amine pyridine platinum. Fourth oxidation state, 4 negative ligands are present, hence oxidation state number of platinum is 4. In this complex, in which now how they are possible, 15 structures. One pyridine opposite with ammonia, pyridine opposite with Cl, pyridine opposite with Br, pyridine opposite with iodine, pyridine opposite with cyanide. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 structure. Again, ammonia opposite with Cl, ammonia opposite with Br, ammonia opposite with iodine, ammonia opposite with cyanide. This is 4 possible. 4 plus 5 or 9. Again, Cl opposite with Br, Cl iodine, Cl cyanide, 3. 12 structure. Then Br and cyanide opposite with each other, and Br iodine opposite with each other. Total 14 structures are occur, and last one is iodine and cyanide opposite or in 180 angle. They are called as such type of structure, such type of complex in which 15 possible isomers are present. Then next type, monodentate and symmetrical bidentate ligand. Symmetrical bidentate ligand means the ligand which is capable to donate 2 lone pair of electron to central metal atom or ion. Symmetrical means donor sites are same. They are called as symmetrical bidentate ligand. While donor sites are different, they are called as unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. Symmetrical bidentate ligand contains 2 types, MA-A twice B2 and another is MA-A twice BC. First see A-A B2. A-A means, for example, symmetrical bidentate ligand, ethylene diamine, NH2, CH2, CH2 and NH2. Here NH2 groups are same, hence they are called as A-A, where B is monodentate ligand, for example Cl minus, 2Cl minus, 2Cl minus and 2 ethylene diamine react with one metal atom or ion, then complex is formed. Such type of complex, one complex is cis and another is trans, while second is BC means different ligand. 2 Cl for example BCl minus and C is Br minus, where A-A2 is ethylene diamine. For example, now see how their possible structure. Now this is ethylene diamine contains 90 angle. Ethylene diamine, that is NH2 group contains 90 angle, and Cl contains 90 angle. Hence they are called as cis position. And IUPAC nomenclature is dichloro-bis ethylene diamine cobalt third ion. And second, this one structure in which Cl opposite with each other, that is 180 angle, and NH2 group contains 180 angle, NH2 group contains 180 angle, hence they are called as transposition. And IUPAC nomenclature is trans dichloro bis ethylene diamine cobalt third ion. And next one is different monodentate ligand. Here ClBr contains 90 angle, this is 90 and these are 180 angle, and NH2 group contains 90, this NH2 group 90, and these NH2 second structure in which NH2 group in which 180 angle and NH2 group in which 180 angle, they are called as trans. And IUPAC nomenclature for first structure is bromochloro bis-ethylene diamine cobalt third ion, and another is second structure in IUPAC nomenclature is trans bromochloro bis ethylene diamine cobalt third. Then last type, unsymmetrical ligands. Unsymmetrical ligand contains only one type, and this is Ma-B thrice. Ma-B thrice. A means symmetrical bidentate ligand, A-B means unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. For example, glycine NH2 CH2 C and CO minus, C double bond and CO minus. Nitrogen contains lone pair, oxygen minus contains lone pair. This is when such type of ligand react with metal atom or ion, then to form two coordinate bond, and A is NH2 and oxygen is B, that is A-B. They are called as unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. One ligand react with metal atom or ion to form two coordinate bond, hence they are called as bidentate. A- also for example, NH2 CH2 ethylene diamine, CH2 and NH2. Nitrogen contains lone pair, NH2 group, nitrogen contains lone pair. These ethylene diamine react with metal atom or ion then to form two coordinate bond. This is symmetrical bidentate ligand and they are called as unsymmetrical ligands. For example, here M is metal and three unsymmetrical ligand coordinate with metal atom or ion, then it gives complex, octahedral complex, and such type of octahedral complex in which cis transposition is present. Now this is chromium glycinate. In this complex in which oxygen 180 angle, NH2 group contains 90 angle, while second structure oxygen 180, NH2 group contains 180. They are called as trans. This is trans and this is cis. Okay. Thank you.